Imagine standing at the precipice of financial freedom, a world where wealth grows at your command. But wait, do you hear that whisper? It's the market, promising immediate riches, luring you with the thrill of lightning-fast profits. This intoxicating promise is the siren song that seduces countless traders into a dangerous dance of impulsivity. We live in an era defined by instant coffee, on-demand entertainment, and high-speed internet, so why should trading be any different? The magnetic urge to act, to click, buy, or sell at the very first hint of movement is almost irresistible, a powerful current pulling us in. This isn't merely a bad habit, it's a primal instinct, a deeply ingrained human desire for instant gratification that the market, in its cunning, mercilessly exploits. But here's the profound, often overlooked truth. This very desire, this insatiable hunger for immediate rewards, is frequently the invisible chain binding traders to a devastating, repetitive cycle of frustration, emotional burnout, and significant financial loss. Are you ready to confront this powerful, inherent urge head-on and finally unlock the enduring secret to lasting, consistent trading profitability? It's time to redefine your approach. You felt it, haven't you? That gut-wrenching feeling of chasing a seemingly explosive breakout only to witness it reverse aggressively the very moment your trade executes. Or perhaps the agonizing regret of jumping into a position far too early, convinced you'd seize the opportunity, only to watch the price dip relentlessly, slowly eroding your hard-earned capital. This isn't mere bad luck. It's the insidious, relentless work of unchecked impatience. When raw emotions like fear and greed seize control, sound logic and rational analysis are unceremoniously thrown out. We succumb to the siren call of a sudden price spike, crippled by FOMO, or witness a dip and panic sell, convinced the financial world is crumbling. These impulsive, knee-jerk reactions, born from a desperate, overwhelming need to be constantly active, to do something, anything, just to feel in control. This desperate, overwhelming need is the very anchor that keeps many traders chained to underperformance. But what if there was a simple yet profoundly powerful antidote to this relentless impulsivity? It's called the pause. Patience in trading isn't about being passive or missing opportunities. It's about active, deliberate waiting. It's the disciplined act of stepping back, taking a breath, and allowing your rational mind to reassert control before committing capital. Imagine hitting an internal reset button, giving yourself permission to observe, analyze, and confirm rather than react. This conscious delay allows you to evaluate whether a setup truly aligns with your predefined strategy or if it's merely another emotional mirage. It's the critical moment where sound judgment triumphs over fleeting desire. Mastering the pause isn't just a strategy, it's a fundamental shift in your trading psychology, transforming you from a reactive participant into a proactive, strategic operator. Are you ready to embrace this powerful tool and reclaim your trading discipline? Consider the approach of a master sniper. Does he fire wildly into the chaos, hoping to hit something? Absolutely not. He meticulously scouts his environment, waits for perfect conditions, the optimal wind, the clear line of sight, the high probability target, and then, with unwavering precision, takes his shot. This is the sniper's mindset that differentiates consistently profitable traders from those who constantly struggle. Impatient traders fire like a machine gun, spraying bullets everywhere, hoping one will connect. They chase every flicker of movement, convinced that missing even a tiny fluctuation means missing out entirely. A patient trader, however, understands that not all opportunities are created equal. They recognize that true profitability lies not in the quantity of trades, but in the quality. They possess the discipline to wait, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days, for their ideal setup to manifest, armed with a clear strategy and an unwavering commitment to execution only when the odds are stacked in their favor. This calculated selectivity is the bedrock of consistent gains. The allure of a massive overnight win is undeniably intoxicating, but it's a mirage that often leads to devastating losses. True wealth in trading isn't built on a single heroic gamble, but on the relentless, consistent accumulation of small, patiently acquired gains. This is the profound, often underestimated power of compounding, amplified by patience. Each carefully selected, well-executed trade, no matter how modest the profit, adds a brick to your financial fortress. Impatience, conversely, often leads to outsized risks in pursuit of those elusive big wins, resulting in larger drawdowns that can wipe out weeks or even months of careful effort. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but with consistent, deliberate additions, your patient trades, it grows exponentially into an unstoppable force. Patience allows you to protect your capital, minimize mistakes, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders, transforming small, steady victories into substantial, enduring wealth over time. The financial markets are a maelstrom of information, opinions, and constant price fluctuations, often amplified by sensational headlines and social media chatter. For the impatient trader, this deluge of noise is overwhelming, creating a constant state of anxiety and triggering impulsive decisions. They jump from one hot tip to another, convinced every minor price swing is a definitive signal, and panic at every dip. Patience, however, grants you the serene vantage point of a lighthouse keeper, calmly observing the tumultuous seas below. It allows you to filter out the irrelevant distractions, to discern genuine trends from fleeting volatility, and to distinguish reliable signals from the deceptive static. When others are reacting frantically to every market rumor, the patient trader remains steadfast, anchored by their strategy and their conviction. This ability to remain calm amidst the storm not only protects your capital, but empowers you to make rational, calculated decisions when emotions are running highest, turning market chaos into a source of unique opportunity. The profound lessons learned in the crucible of trading extend far beyond your portfolio statement. Patience, honed and practiced in the relentless arena of financial markets, transforms into a powerful life skill that permeates every aspect of your existence. It cultivates a mind that is less reactive, more thoughtful, and better equipped to handle the myriad challenges life throws your way. You'll find yourself making better long-term decisions, whether in career planning, personal relationships, or health goals, simply by applying the same principles of disciplined waiting and strategic execution. The ability to delay gratification, to resist impulsive urges, and to persevere through setbacks becomes an inherent part of your character. Ultimately, the journey to becoming a consistently profitable trader isn't just about mastering charts and indicators, it's about mastering yourself. Patience isn't merely a trading strategy, it's the bedrock of emotional intelligence, resilience, and a fulfilling life, both inside and outside the market. We've journeyed through the alluring traps of impulsivity, witnessed the ruin wrought by impatience, and discovered the profound power of the pause. You've embraced the sniper's meticulous mindset, understood the quiet magic of compounding, and learned to navigate the market's tumultuous noise with unwavering calm. Now, as we stand at the culmination of this exploration, what undeniable truth emerges? It is this: patience isn't merely a virtue in trading. It is the ultimate non-negotiable competitive advantage. It's the silent force that transforms sporadic, emotionally charged gambles into consistent, strategically executed wins. Choosing patience means choosing clarity over chaos, discipline over desire, and long-term wealth over fleeting high-risk thrills. It's a commitment to a less stressful, more rational, and ultimately far more profitable trading existence. This isn't just a strategy to adopt, it's a philosophy to embody. Are you ready to make the unwavering commitment to patience, to embrace the profound transformation it offers, and finally unlock the enduring success you've always envisioned in your trading journey? The path to lasting profitability begins now.